Welcome back. Goa RTI Forum has condemned the act of Goa Governor of not furnishing details under the RTI Act. Forum has passed a resolution that Governor should give details under the RTI Act. Activists say Governor's claims of not being a public authority will ultimately encourage other government departments to deny reply on RTI queries.
Many RTI activists from across Goa took part in a meeting organized in Panji by the RTI Forum. Advocate Iris Rodriguez had sought some details from Secretary to the Governor of Goa under the RTI Act, but Iris was denied the details. Reply from Governor's Special Secretary said that their office had filed an affidavit with Bombay High Court that Goa Governor is not a public authority under the RTI Act 2005. So, the matter is still pending in the High Court, but activists say Governor's affidavit in the High Court is only pertaining to some RTI queries of Manohar Parrikar. They say the office is still a public authority.
And on Republic Day, the governor hoists the flag and takes the salute at the Kampal grounds. So if you are not a public authority, you seize all right to flag that national flag on behalf of the people of Goa on that day.
वयर जेन्ना ऑथॉरिटी आसता ती जेन्ना अकाउंटेबिलिटी आनी ट्रान्सपरन्सीच्या बाबतींत उलोवपाक जेन्ना ओपन आसना ताजो परिणाम असो सकयल जाता. ताका लागून आमी हे लक्षात घेवं जाय की जेन्ना गव्हर्नर अशें हें दिता आनी हे मिसलिडिंग रिप्लाय दिल्ली आसा.
Governor should immediately issue an ordinance, and that ordinance should state that getting information from governor is the birthright of citizens of India and citizens of Goa. This is what they should advise.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Konkani version of Gandhiji's autobiography was released on Saturday. The book was released by Gandhiji's granddaughter Usha Gokhani. The book reflects on Gandhiji's experience with truth. Usha Gokhani said that this book will benefit the Konkani readers.
Gandhiji's autobiography is translated by Konkani writer and freedom fighter Gurunath Kedekar. The book was released by Gandhiji's granddaughter Usha Gokhani in the presence of Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and other dignitaries. Different speakers at the function expressed gratitude towards the life led by Gandhiji and his contribution to India's freedom struggle. Usha Gokhani spoke about Gandhiji's theory of non-violence.
भारत में बहुत सारी भाषाएं हैं, इसलिए कोंकणी में शुरुआत सब लोग जो कोंकणी ही पढ़ सकते हैं तो उनको भी ये आत्मकथा का लाभ मिलेगा.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath said that Goa will be truly liberated when the poor and needy people are satisfied.
स्वराज्य आयले, गोंय स्वतंत्र जालें, पूण गोंय राज खऱ्या अर्थान स्वतंत्र त्या दिसा जातलें ज्या दिसा गोंय राज्यांतल्या प्रत्येक गरीब मनशाक खंय तरी दिसतलें की गोंय स्वतंत्र जालें आनी तातूंतल्यान आपलें जीवन सुदारलें अशें ज्या दिसा गोंयच्या प्रत्येक गरीब मनशाक दिसतलें त्या दिसा खऱ्या अर्थान गोंय स्वतंत्र जालें अशें आमी सगळे मानतले.
The book was released at Ravindra Bhavan at Madgaon on Saturday. A reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
There is a need to create job opportunities for Goan youth in the coming years. Goa should also look at sustainable development for the next 40 years. The symposium on Goa's vision for prosperity discussed these issues at length.
As a part of the Liberation Day celebrations, Sakal Group and the Department of Information and Publicity held a one-day symposium on the topic Goa's Vision for Prosperity. Kalap mentioned that reforms are needed in many areas like land and elections.
But in those absolute terms that people thought about defection has been reduced to a farcical situation. Are we able to change that? So reforms are required at that stage. Reforms are required in the method of elections that we go about.
Srivastav emphasized on the need to create job opportunities by focusing on development in the state.
When we talk about industrial development, let us consider that SEZ is not permitted in Goa. But I'll only mention that if SEZ is not needed, but should we not have an IT park, should we not have software park in Goa?
Nitin Kunkalenkar in his speech said that Goa should not have scrapped SEZ policy because of issues of land allotment. He also emphasized the need for Mopa Airport and termed the government approach towards the IT policy as bad. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sushant Pearl.
Time now to take a short break. Stay tuned.